A cockatiel is a popular choice for a pet bird. They are attractive, as well as friendly. They are capable of mimicking speech. They are easy to breed in captivity. So, it is possible to earn money by rearing cockatiel birds commercially, at home. But, it is important to breed responsibly. For breeding purposes, your male and female cockatiel should be at least 18 months old. Ensure that the pair is not related. Related birds have a higher chance of having weak or deformed babies. Cockatiels will breed any time of year. But, they need a decent amount of light in order to breed. Make sure that your cockatiels have a source of natural or bright artificial light for 10 to 12 hours per day. Before breeding, it is important to ensure that your birds are eating well. Soft foods such as greens, cooked rice, cuttlebone or mineral blocks for calcium supplements such as spirulina, echinacea, and Prozyme fresh, clean water. In general, a cockatiel eats about 1 tablespoon of food per day. After the pair has been together for at least 2 weeks, you will need to provide them with a nest box. There are many types of nest boxes available, including metal, plastic, and wooden ones. A 1 foot by 1 foot box is sufficient for breeding cockatiels. Some nesting boxes come with a rear access door so that you can check on the chicks without disturbing the hen. The best materials for nesting are low dust pine shavings or uncolored paper materials like newspaper or plain white paper towels. You will also notice the birds grooming each other often. When it's time to mate, the male cockatiel will do a mating dance. During this dance, he will bob his head, hop around, and sing. When the female is ready to mate, she will crouch down. The female cockatiel should lay her eggs about 2 weeks after mating. She will lay an egg about once every 48 hours until she has laid a clutch of about 2 to 8 eggs. The male cockatiel will provide food for the female cockatiel while she broods the eggs. After the 21-day incubation period, the eggs will hatch. Cockatiels will not begin the weaning process until they are about 8 to 10 weeks old. At this point, you may want to separate male and female chicks from each other to prevent breeding. Once you cockatiels have finished using the nest box to brood and raise their chicks, you can remove the nest box from the cage. After your cockatiels have mated and produced chicks, you may want to take steps to prevent them from mating again. Providing a little less light per day will discourage breeding. For example, you can reduce the amount of light that your cockatiels receive from 10 to 12 hours to about 8 hours per day.